Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily pop your BMW X3 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever. It's typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell, often marked with a hood icon. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click and see the hood slightly unlatch. This action releases the first of two safety catches, preparing the hood for full opening. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds. Now that the hood is partially open, walk to the front of your BMW X3. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is usually positioned near the center of the hood's front edge, or slightly to one side. Gently lift the hood a few inches and slide your hand underneath. You'll feel a small lever or tab that needs to be pushed or pulled to fully release the hood. It's a crucial step for safe access. Once you've found the secondary latch, either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific BMW X3 model. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood. Use both hands for a steady and controlled opening. After lifting, locate the hood prop rod, typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Insert the rod into the designated hole to securely hold the hood open. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. From this height, simply let the hood drop. The weight of the hood should be sufficient to engage both the primary and secondary latches, ensuring it's securely closed. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.